This is Samsung Galaxy M04, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can scan a document and transform it into a PDF file on this device. So in order to do that, you will need to launch the Google Drive application first. In here, as you can see, it is required that I verify my Google account, so whatever, I will swiftly enter the password of the screen. Then I will probably will need to reload the Google Drive app. Then at the bottom right corner of your display, you'll see this plus icon, so tap on it, choose the scan, then give Google Drive the camera permit, or well, access rather, and then take your document in question and, well, take a picture of it. Or simply capture it. From here, if you are satisfied with the photo, tap at the OK button. Inside this interface, you can change the color scheme that your future scan will have, rotate the image, and align, or rather crop the extra edges, or well, just frame your desired document from the raw and original photo. Then hit the save button. You can rename the device if you want to, change its save location, and now just wait for your file to get uploaded to Drive. And here you have it. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.